While you're reading, don't forget to subscribe, leave a like, write a comment, and share this video. Your support helps us create more relaxing yoga sessions for you. Free energy. Let's begin. Energy rise. Stand tall with your feet grounded. Inhale deeply as you lift your arms or chest upward, drawing fresh energy through your body. Exhale gently, feeling that energy settle and rise within you, awakening strength and clarity. Open sky reach. Stand tall and inhale as you lift your arms wide toward the sky. Let your chest open and your breath feel expansive and free. Exhale softly, staying grounded while reaching upward with calm, open energy. Free flow stretch. Move gently with your breath, allowing your body to stretch in any direction that feels natural. Inhale to lengthen and expand. Exhale to soften and release. Let the movement stay fluid, free, and easy, guided by calm awareness. Morning sun fold. Stand tall and inhale, welcoming the warmth of the morning. Exhale as you gently fold forward from the hips, letting your head and arms relax toward the ground. Move softly and slowly, as if bowing to the rising sun with calm breath. Radiant balance. Stand tall with your feet firmly grounded. Inhale as you lift through your spine and open your chest, inviting light and steadiness into your posture. Exhale gently, finding balance that feels calm, bright, and naturally radiant from within. Light power twist. Stand or sit with a tall, relaxed spine. Inhale to lengthen your body. Then exhale as you gently twist to one side, keeping the movement light yet strong. Feel calm power rise from your center as your breath supports the twist. Flowing side arc. Stand or sit with a relaxed, tall spine. Inhale as you lift one arm overhead and begin a smooth arc to the side. and settle into the curve, letting the movement flow gently through your ribs and waist. Active chest opener. Stand tall with your feet grounded and your core gently engaged. Inhale as you open your arms wide, drawing the shoulder blades together and lifting the chest. Exhale to maintain the openness with steady, supportive breath, feeling strength and space across the front of your body. Floating arm lift. Stand or sit with a relaxed, upright posture. Inhale as you slowly lift your arms upward, as if they are floating on air. Exhale softly, keeping your shoulders light and your movements smooth, calm, and effortless. Awake spine stretch. Stand or sit with your spine tall and alert. Inhale to lengthen upward through the crown of your head. Exhale gently as you stretch along the spine, awakening space, warmth, and awareness through your back. Easy power lunge. Step 1 foot forward into a comfortable lunge, keeping the back leg strong and grounded. Inhale as you lift your chest and extend your arms gently. Exhale to settle, feeling a balanced, steady energy through your legs and core. Energized seat. Sit comfortably with a tall, relaxed spine. Inhale deeply, feeling your chest and torso expand. Exhale softly, grounding through your sit bones while allowing energy to flow freely through your body. Maintain alert, calm awareness with each breath. Free body rest. Lie down or sit comfortably, letting your body completely relax. Close your eyes and take slow, deep breaths. With each exhale, release tension and allow your body to feel light, calm, and fully supported.